as you can tell, my hair is in a very pristine look today. And friend, I don't even know what that was. Friend Stephanie's helping me look for it via iChat because I can't find my hat anywhere. My room's not that big, and I'm pretty sure it was like one of those situations where I just had it and then did something else and then forgot from point A to point B where exactly it went. So I need a hat for my hair. I can't find it, and I know it's one of those things where it's sitting right in front of me and you're just like, every time you look at it, you're just like, you're seeing through it. But I gotta go now. What am I gonna do? I have another hat, but on a nice little bike ride right now with my buddy's daughter. It's nice out tonight. Very nice. Bike ride in my new white shoes. Yes! White shoes rule. It's not a dog toy, it's a kid's toy. Oi! It's not for you. It's not for you. This toy was found in Paris, so you cannot consume it. It's laughing at you. No, not a toy. Frank is going to be right there.
Frank?
Yes. I got Angie and Frank and Paige in my room. And trumpet, no, what is that thing called? Saxophone man. And I don't have any other random characters in my room. I have a monkey. Everyone, I'd like you to meet Juicy. This is my brother's girlfriend's dog. But it's like a family pet with two families, basically. She's sleeping. She's 1 pound, and we'll get her, and we'll fully grown be about 2.5, maybe 3 pounds. She's a little dog. I'm not sure why she's in a blanket. That would be Marky's doing, but she's super cute. She's sleeping. Oh.
She's like, what are you doing? Oh, we're friends. Friends. Do. Careful, Zoe. Zoe, nice.
Camera take out. Oh. Ah, dogs are there.
Zoe.
Juicy. Zoe, hey.
Zoe, come here. Zoe. Hey.
Go for the headbutting.
Come here. Zoe, come.
Go, Juicy, go.
Zoe, nice. Calm down. Hey. Calm down.
Juicy, come here.
Sit. Zoe, sit. Lay down.
Get the camera.
Lay down.
Get.
No, you don't get to play with her toys. You'll destroy them in 2 seconds. They're delicate. Pushing her. No! Zoe, hey, no.
Look at that. That's awesome. Oh.
Isn't it like cute little poop?
No, it's not. There's no such thing as cute poop. Good night, YouTube. See you guys later. Probably the next time on your computer screen.